Just let me open the door and let me get on it. Alright, I got in and let's go drive. I wonder if there's any police cars here because like literally one of them just got destroyed by Jellyman, I guess. That little man that just destroys everything. And I know what absolute absolutely.
Hindi, na kwarta, di ka puyog balay. Pinaglaag,
Dili ba ko gagamit og kwarta?
ipiyat.
Dili daw diri na hay. Pagdali ko ha, pasig alas 11 na kamo uli, sagpaong ta jud ka. Gara na ra ba ka ng laag nimo? Basta nagtukag nalipay ko ana. Kumuton ko lang nang matubangan sa mga barkada. Grabe na nimong laagana.
Okay, I forgot. Okay, sorry guys if it was 1 minute. I accidentally was taking a look at the window at my window. Ah, okay. Everyone, stop Jellyman! What? Okay. Who's Jellyman? I guess.